In this video, I will show you how to recover COC account with Supercell ID. At first, click on the gear icon at the bottom right corner. Then click on Help and Support. Then here you will see multiple options. Click on Account option. Then click on the plus icon beside Recover your account. Then click on this I have lost access to my account option. Then here you will see some instructions. Now click on this Open Support Ticket option. It will navigate to a chat page. Then you can click on Continue option and provide the necessary information here like player tag, lost village name and the town hall of the lost village and the name of the clan if you have. After providing the information, click on Submit option. Alternatively, you can also recover your account in this way. Open any web browser and search for Supercell Contact Us. Then click on this Specifically Contact Us option and make sure you are logged into your account. Now scroll down and select the game like Brawl Stars or Clash of Clans. Then select the category. Then the player tag and the email address will appear automatically. Now here, provide your concern like I want to recover my account. After that, complete the CAPTCHA option and submit your request. And that's how you can recover your COC account via Supercell ID. If this video helps, like, share and subscribe.